For today's video, I'm doing a basic TRX workout. I'm going to break every move down step by step so that you feel comfortable using the TRX. For this exercise, we're going to do a standing row. Adjust the straps so that they're nice and tight when you have them pulled back towards your chest. Do a quick check and make sure that your abs are tight to support your back and your shoulders are pulled back and your glutes are lifted. Lean back on your heels, and when you're ready, begin to row. Think about driving the elbows nice and tight towards the body and squeeze that back on the top end. Remember to breathe. Exhale on the way up, inhale when the arms extend down. And also make sure that that lower back does not collapse in. To modify the rows, assume a staggered stance. You're going to have one leg extended and the other foot's back. This is going to drop the weight in half. For your body position, maintain the same good form that you had with the original row. An advanced version of this row is to lean back even farther. Keeping the legs extended out, you're leaning all the way back, pulling more of your own body weight. Maintain that perfect plank position when you're rowing. For the chest presses, pull down on the straps so they're a little bit longer. Once you have your straps in the right length, go ahead and place your hands in the handles, and we're going to stagger our stance and show a modified version. For this one, we're doing a kickstand stance where one foot's forward and the other toe is behind you. Lower your body down for the chest press, letting those elbows come out, and then on the exhale, press and extend those arms and body back up. The next version of the chest press is to have both legs back on your tippy toes and then lower the body down and up. Maintain that perfect plank position with the abs tight, squeeze the glutes, and keep the back nice and straight. Inhale on the way down, exhale when you press back up. For this next exercise, we're going to do squats. Adjust the straps so they're a little bit shorter, about midway length, and then go ahead and take a big step back, keeping the elbows nice and tight. Feet are shoulder width apart. You're going to squat down, sinking your weight into your heels, and sit back like you would into a chair. On the way up, squeeze those glutes. For your breathing, inhale on the way down, exhale when you come back up. To bring these squats up a notch, add a jump, making sure to land with soft feet and soft knees. Make sure the weight is in the heels and not the toes. For this next lower body exercise, we're doing alternating reverse lunges. Hold the straps for support, and alternating legs, step back, bend the knee, and then press back forward to a standing position. Keep the core nice and tight and the back straight. When you're doing these, think about pushing off with that front heel and making sure not to put too much weight on those straps. To bring these lunges up a notch, let's do power lunges or split lunges. Stay nice and light on your feet while you're alternating those lunges. Keep the good form and make sure the front knee does not pass the toe and you're not putting too much body weight into those straps. Let's work those biceps. Assume a kickstand position with one leg extended and the other foot planted down on the ground. Keeping that perfect plank position and the arms up, elbows tight, curl those arms up and down. For the breathing, exhale on the curl, inhale when the arms extend. To make this movement harder, have your legs together and lean back a little bit farther so you're pulling more of your own body weight. Keep the same good position with the perfect plank and the arms extended, curling up and down. For this next move, we're going to do front squats. Adjust the straps so that they're a little bit longer so they can tuck under your arms comfortably. Extend both legs back about shoulder width apart, and when you squat down, think about sinking deep into those heels and then explode and press forward onto those toes. The upper body stays pretty stationary throughout this movement, so really focus on the lower body. Let's do alligator chomps for the shoulders. Adjusting the straps about midway, you're going to step back until the bands are nice and tight. One arm is extended up while the other is down. Just like an alligator mouth, you're going to extend the one arm up while the other one lowers down, keeping the core tight and the back as straight as you can. You're leaning your body back and forward, working those shoulders. Also make sure there's a soft bend in those elbows. Exhale when the body comes up, inhale when you lower down. Don't forget to repeat each side. To work triceps, let's go ahead and have a staggered kickstand position. Extend the arms up with the elbows tight and lower that upper body down while bending the elbows at a 90-degree angle. Exhale, press and extend those arms back straight. And like always, keep that perfect plank position with the back straight and the abdominals tight. To make this more challenging, have both legs back on your tippy toes and go ahead and lower your body down, bending the elbows again at a 90-degree angle, and then exhale, press back up and extend.
Thank you for doing this workout. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also follow my Instagram at Allyfitatl. See you next time.